Welcome to our comprehensive Squarespace e-commerce tutorial. Today, we'll explore how to build and launch your online store step by step. Let's start by setting up your Squarespace account. Follow along as we go through the registration process together. Selecting the right template is crucial for your online store's success. I'll share tips on how to choose one that fits your brand perfectly. Now it's time to add your products. I'll provide detailed instructions on how to upload images and write effective descriptions. Next, I'll guide you through setting up your payment gateways and shipping options to ensure a smooth buying experience for your customers. Customization is key to enhancing your store's user experience. Let's explore some design options together. Now, let's dive into SEO best practices that will help your online store get noticed in search engines. You're almost there. Let's do a final check and get your store launched live for the world to see. After your launch, it's important to promote your store. I'll share effective strategies to attract customers. To wrap up, we've covered everything needed to build and launch your Squarespace online store. Now it's time to get started. Your dream business awaits.